Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Diane from the Elk Grove Village Public Library. I'm here to talk about Science Lab for Monday, March 22nd. I wanted to show you what was in your kit for you because you're going to be making some different kinds of catapults. The catapults are something that was used many years ago in ancient times. During the times that there were castles and palaces, and castles and palaces were very secure. People couldn't get through to them. And if somebody wanted to invade a castle, it was very hard for them too, because they had moats and they had knights and they had drawbridges, and so people couldn't get in. So they had something called a catapult, which would hurl a rock or something so a person could get in if they wanted to. If somebody wanted to invade the castle. It was kind of sort of like a weapon. But a catapult is really like a lever, and you'll see that it's a simple machine that's like a lever, and you press it and things fly. And you'll see that in the demonstrations. Our Miss Abby will be showing the demonstrations of the Popsicle stick catapult and the PomPom launcher. And I'm just here to show you what is in your kit. For the Popsicle catapult, you will be receiving a bag that will have 7 popsicle sticks in them, rubber bands, a spoon, and pom-poms, and a bottle cap. And she will show you how you can make your popsicle stick catapult. And she'll show you 2 different ways to do that. One just using a spoon, and then one using a bottle cap and a popsicle stick. Then the other catapult that you will be making is a pom-pom launcher. You will be receiving a cardboard tube that's colored. You will be receiving paper that you can, if you want to decorate your launcher, you will have paper that's just cut to the size of the cardboard tube, and you can glue that on or tape it, and you could color on it, you could decorate it, whatever you want to do. And then you're going to have, there's going to be 3 balloons, but 2 balloons are going to be slit right at the end, which I want to show you right here. It's going to be slit in the end because you're going to take your balloon and you're going to put it, you're going to stretch it like this. It has that little slit right here, and you're going to put it over your cardboard tube. So it's just going to go, you're just going to have to put it over just like that. There you go. And then you might have to have mom or dad or grandma or grandpa tie a knot right here, because this is going to be your launcher. And you'll see that in the demonstration. The ball could go the pom-pom could go pretty far. You can also use your own balls. You can use marshmallows. You can make tinfoil balls. You can see what balls are heavy and which ones are not. And you can do an experiment to see if the balls are heavier, if they'll go farther, or if they don't go as far. So you can test it out, and you can make a guess. You can make an hypothesis to see which ones will go farther, if they're lighter or if they're heavier. Then everybody's going to get a little mini tape dispenser like this for this is duct tape. You're going to duct tape your balloon on so that it won't fall off. I use this one. This was a little bit thicker. That way your balloon won't slip off when you're trying to launch your pom-pom. So after you put your balloon on, then you're going to use your tape to secure it. And then you'll put your pom-poms in and you will launch it. And you can see how far it will go, and you can use different kinds of items to go inside your launcher. And you can measure how far it goes. You can use a tape measure and see how far you can launch it. It could be a lot of fun. So you will see the 2 demonstrations along with this video. Thank you, boys and girls, so much for joining. And I hope you're having some fun in the snow, because now the weather is a little bit warmer and you can play in the snow. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye. Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Diane and Miss Abby from the Elk Grove Village Public Library. Miss Abby is demonstrating one of the experiments that you will be getting out of your kit this Monday, and this is a popsicle stick catapult. So what she's doing is attaching 5 popsicle sticks together, and she is rubber banding each end, which I will show you as soon as she rubber bands one of the other ends. So this is the first part of the catapult, the popsicle catapult. Okay, so then I will show you a picture of what that looks like. All right, so there you go. Then she's going to stick the next popsicle stick in between the 4th and 5th popsicle sticks of the stack. There you go. Let me show you how that looks, just like that. Making it a little bit tighter. Here we go, and then perfect. Okay. Now for the flipping part of it, we're attaching a rubber band, a spoon, right, attached to the other popsicle stick that you put in between the stack. And then she is going to rubber band that at the end. That will give it the force and the flip. And then we will show you how that looks in a minute. And that will be very, that will make it flip very well. All right, so let me show you how that looks. Here you go, that looks perfect. And now she's going to demonstrate how it will flip a pom-pom. Here we go. All right, you're gonna have to probably use a lot of force. There you go. Whoa, it flipped up and flipped down. And then boys and girls, I wanted to also tell you in your kit, you can interchange the spoon with a popsicle stick and a cap from a water bottle, and you could try it that way too. Thank you for joining us, and look forward to the next experiment with Miss Abby and Miss Diane. Thank you. Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Abby and Miss Diane again from the Elk Grove Village Public Library. The next part of your catapult series is, this is called a pom-pom shooter, and it's very simple. You are going to be receiving a cardboard tube, a balloon that is cut at the bottom, and some paper to decorate, and a pom-pom, and some tape to tape down the balloon, which Miss Abby will show you. Everybody will get one of those in their kit, and which I will explain in another separate video all about this. Okay, so then that will make it more secure. When you put on your balloon, you're going to tie it at the end, and I will show you that in a separate video, but we can just look at the end of it again, and that's what it looks like, because that's what you're going to use to pull back and shoot out the pom-pom. So you probably have to use a lot of force to get it far. So Miss Abby is putting the pom-pom into the cardboard tube. She is pulling out the balloon as far as she can, and she is going to let it rip. There you go. Oh, we're going to try that one more time, boys and girls. Oh, sorry. All right, we're going to try that one more time. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Whoa, it went all the way over there. Have a lot of fun, boys and girls. Thank you.